subframe connectors with torque box reinforcement plates for the lower rear torque boxes. The kit comes with a driver and a passenger subframe connector, seat bracket braces. It's a pretty simple install. You need a MIG welder, a rubber mallet, and a seat clamp. We've already installed the passenger side subframe on this car. That's pretty straightforward. We have two C brackets that attach to the front subframe and they're MIG welded in place. There's 6 holes in each one for rosette welds, and it comes back and it connects to the rear lower torque box. As I said earlier, we pre-installed the passenger side. On the driver's side, you always install the seat brace first. Simply goes right on. It's slotted to fit any variety of car. Leave it loose. Just start the nuts on the studs. And then the subframe, you have to look for the front portion. We've already pre-ground the paint up where we'll be welding. There's a little bulge on the frame rail, and this C-cup goes behind the bulge. So you put that there, get it up. Come down here with the C-clamp. Tighten that down. Sometimes you'll need 2 C-clamps. Clamp the back portion of it, and then your rubber mallet. Mallet the front up into place, and then MIG weld. On the seat brace, you leave it loose so you can position it on the subframe connector. Again, the nuts are not even finger tight. You want a little bit of place. Move it side to side and get it centered on the subframe connector. And then once everything's all welded in, tack weld this in a couple of places, tighten up the seat brace, and you're all done. Okay, we're going to have Mike tack this in place first. Make sure that you tack all these plates in first before you weld it solid. You want to make sure you put a couple tacks, maybe in the rosette holes and on the torque box plate, and then tack all these in place before you weld it up solid. Go ahead, Mike. So that's the install of the Team Z Undercar subframe connectors. As you can see, some of the important points of this are it includes a lower torque box reinforcement plate. They're made out of 120 wall 1.5 DOM CNC bent to conform to the bottom of the car. They capture the front subframe behind the transmission cross member and in front of it. It's a full length, and they come with the optional seat braces for the passenger side and driver's side.